Everyone, Vanakkam. Today we are going to learn a grammar topic that is tenses. Let's see what is tense. Tenses indicate time of action or state of someone or something. Here, time of action means when the action happens. It can be present or past or future. There are 12 tenses in English. Let's see what are those 12 tenses. We have three main tenses. We can divide these three main tenses into 12. Each tense has four subdivided tenses. The first one is simple, the second one is continuous, the third one is perfect, and the fourth one is perfect continuous. Let's see the simple tenses. Simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. And the second one is continuous tense, present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. The third one is perfect tenses, that is present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. And the final tense is perfect continuous, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous. Totally we have 12 tenses. Let's see simple present tense, especially the structure of simple present tense in detail. The structure of simple present tense is subject plus present verb. Sometimes we add s, es or ies with the present verb plus other parts of speech. Let's take a look at these examples. He draws pictures beautifully. Here the subject is he and the verb is draws, which is in present form. So we can call this sentence simple present tense. And the second sentence, we play cricket every Sunday. Here the subject is we and the verb is in present form. So we can call it simple present tense. The third sentence is she reads newspaper daily. She is the subject and reads is the present form of the verb. And the final sentence, Sam is in India now. Sam is the subject and is the present form of the verb. So we can easily identify the simple present tense. We should learn a lot of verbs. I've given some example verbs. Draw, drew, drawn. Sometimes we use the present verb with s or es or is. So present verb is otherwise called as verb 1 and the past verb verb 2 and the past participle as verb 3. So we have to learn a lot of verbs to master in tenses. We can divide the subject into three categories. The first one is first person, I is the first person singular, and we is the first person plural. You is second person singular and second person plural as well. He, she, it or singular nouns are called third person singular. Remember this: he, she, it, Singular nouns like Jack, Mumbai are called third person singular. And the final one is they. They are plural nouns like Jack and Jill, books, children. These are called third person plural. So we have to remember these rules. Let's learn subject and verb agreement in simple present tense. I walk fast, we walk fast, you walk fast, they walk fast. In these four sentences, we use the same verb walk. But in these three sentences, when you use present form of the verb, we have added s because he, she, it. These are called third person singular. So we have to use yes or es or ies with the verb. When a verb ends with o, we have to add es. If a verb ends with y, we have to remove the y and add ies. But not for this verb because this y comes after the vowel sound. So we need to add only s, not ies. For the sounds is, ich, ish, again is, z, we have to add es. So we have to remember these rules. Let's do this exercise. Ajay dash new dresses every month. Which one is correct? Buy or buys? Buys is the correct one because Ajay is the third person singular subject. For third person singular subject, we should use the verb with s or yes or ies. So the correct answer is buys. The second sentence, they dash the classes regularly. Attend or attends? The correct one is attend because the subject they is third person plural, not singular. This is third person plural. So we have to use the verb without s. The third sentence is, my mother and father dash me every weekend. Call or calls? The correct one is call because the subject is in plural form. My mother and father. Let's go to the fourth sentence. The plane dash at 11 a.m. Depart or departs? The correct one is departs because the subject is third person singular. Children dash chocolate and ice cream. Like or likes? The correct one is like because the subject is third person plural. Children is third person plural. So we should use the verb without s sound. And the next sentence is, the sun dash in the east and dash in the west. The correct answer is rises and sets. So for third person singular we have used rises and sets. And the last sentence, you dash a very intelligent mathematician. Here we have two verbs, is or. The correct one is or because you is second person, so we have to use or always in simple present tense. So in simple present tense we use the verb according to the subject. If the subject is in third person singular, we should use it with yes or is or es. Otherwise we use it as it is. We will see the situation in which we use the simple present tense. Keep learning, keep progressing. Thanks for watching.